Fleece meets soft shell. The men's R2 TechFace Hoody is an extra warm technical fleece that's also tough enough to withstand close encounters with sagebrush and granite. The stretchy, double-weave fabric is abrasion and weather-resistant on the outside, with a high-loft, brushed grid interior that's toasty in cold weather, but breathable enough that you won't overheat. Made for shifting alpine conditions, the partially bound hood fits comfortably under a helmet. 2 external zippered chest pockets and 2 high hand warmer pockets keep small goods accessible, even when wearing a harness or a pack waist belt, with 2 interior drop-in pockets for extra storage. A partially bound hem locks in warmth. When your next backcountry scramble turns into a contact sport, the versatile, abrasion-resistant men's R2 TechFace Hoody brushes off scrapes and keeps you comfortable in changeable mountain weather.